Good morning. What a beautiful day. It's hot, but it's a beautiful day. It's not raining or anything. At least not that I think it will. I had the past 2 days off. And I tell you what, I got some much needed sleep and rest. I sure did. So I'm just getting ready. Start my day. I did want to go and get my car washed because I did not do that on my day off. So I'm gonna get that done this morning. So I gotta leave a little bit early. Car wash place opens at 8, but it's Thursday, so it shouldn't be packed. And then I have to put gas. I'm not running out. I usually put it like when it's like half tank, but I think it's just a little bit below half tank, so best time to do that. So that's what I'll be doing this morning. Washed my hair. I am just so happy with this hair color, like I mentioned to you guys before. Even though I have the little grays hair, the darkness is there. And I did find this thing that I'm supposed to cover the little ones, the little grays that's peeking through. Because this is like through the 3rd week since I did it. Yeah, so that I colored my hair actually. Just covering the blemishes like we ladies do. So I'll have the date on when I have to travel away from home for my next training. It's near the end of the month. So I'll be gone again, but this time for a little bit longer. So at least I can plan for that, you know, a bit better. After that, I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A and pick up a salad. I gotta go get my wipes here to wipe this makeup off my hand. I don't want to get this down my sink. Then I'll wash my hands after I finish putting my makeup on. I'll wash it after, but I just don't like getting this foundation in my sink. It just discolors the sink. Now for the eyebrows. Sorry, I feel like I'm cutting my head off, but all right. Oh man, yikes, my eyeliner came loose in here and totally messed up my bag. Look at that. This one here. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean this out best I can. First of all, let's see if there's anything on the outside. No. Yeah, it's not gonna get out. I don't know how am I gonna get this out because it's been there for a while. Totally stained it. Yep, won't even come out. Won't even come out. Oh. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, I'm back. I think I'm gonna have to put the bobby pins in to hold my ponytail together here. Oh, so annoying, so annoying. I could get some earrings on too. I'm gonna wear a little summer dress today. I'll wait till I put my glasses on because I can't see for nothing. So let's get these eyebrows done. Yeah, yeah. So July 4th is upon us. You guys got any plans? Just gonna we're gonna drive and go into the other city because we're gonna do that after July 4th. We're just gonna stay in the house. Or go to places locally here. But not at night. We just like to watch the fireworks from home. We always love that better than going out. I'm using this white petroleum skin protector. For my lips. So mad that this thing came apart and just messed up my stuff. Jeez. I don't even know if it's working. Now it's dead. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go and look for my other one. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm just not gonna take it in my purse anymore to work. which one is what. Oops. Need a little bit more coverage. Wait a minute. I think I need a new one of these. I need some more. I'm back, guys. Somehow I lost connection with you guys. Just gonna put some lotion, because you know the hot sun out there will get you, make your skin dry, extremely dry. Yeah, sure will. I'm missing something here. I don't feel like I need to put no necklace on in this heat, but let me go find my rings. Let me go find, well, let me put my tracking watch on. Child, this thing is acting up today. Yeah. So I had gotten this ponytail holder thing, and I had to trim it because it was just too long. So I trimmed it. Okay, now let's see what rings I'm gonna wear. I think this is appropriate. Let me put you right here. I think this one is good. And then this one to match my earring. I think that should do it for today. I really don't want to wear a lot of bracelets today. I'm gonna wear my jacket because it does get chilly. I probably should wear my necklace. Where is it? Which one do I want to put on today? Something simple. Oh, where's that necklace with the cross? I don't know where my necklace is, the one with the cross on it. But I have this one, which I haven't worn in a while. So let's see. Sorry, guys. Oops. Yeah, this one, I don't even think I've worn this one. This one has a little V on it. Yeah, so let's try this one. Yeah, just wear this little one. Yeah, I'm got a couple of them here that I haven't worn. Well, this one is another cute one. I'll wear that with something green. But I'm looking for a necklace with the cross on it. Oh, it's probably on here. Where is it? It's there. Oh, I was gonna wear this one. I'm not going to. I'll just leave that alone. Alright, I probably should have wore this today, because that's for this band here, but I'm not going to. Alright, so I found some perfume yesterday that I didn't have with me. I'm going to take this to work with me, but then this one here, I'm trying to remember what it is. It's a Perry Ellis, probably. It's a little too strong. This Amazing Grace is good. I love it. I think this one is probably a rub-on. Yeah, so you just rub it on. I do not put sprays behind my ear or my throat, because that's how you get sick. Not good. Not good at all. Because you can imagine it's going into the pores and stuff of your throat and stuff. So, and I do have a little bit of this common chamomile. So, like I say, it's hot out there. And I have, oops, it's gonna fall. I have this dusting powder, lemon verbena, that I love. And so, put it on like that. Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready to go because it is almost 8. So that'll give me some time to find. Why is it so hot in my bathroom? That gives me time to find the gas station. And the reason I want to go and get the Chick-fil-A, I want to probably drive back here and drop off some stuff. But I probably won't do that. I'll just go get the gas and stuff. I hope this doesn't get messy, this hair, but I don't care. I'm just going to wear it like that. All right, guys, I'll see you on the way to work. Bye. We're on our way to get some gas and get some lunch. Well, we got a little dilemma today. I don't have a key to my model, and so we're trying to get someone to get me a key today, finally, because my coworker is going to be out sick today. Yeah, so. Well, we do have the project manager. We should be on, out there, so you can let me in. But, yeah. Oh, it's 77 this morning. It cooled down. Usually it's in the 80s. Wow. Such a beautiful drive to work. All the greenery around and stuff. Just love it. I grabbed some fruits this morning on my way out the door, and I did have some. And cantaloupe and papaya. So I brought that with me, so I can probably snack on that. Yeah. So I'm gonna go put the gas at the gas station that is Kroger, near Kroger's. So you get like a discount on your gas. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I mean, I really didn't need to go put gas, but I'm on a little bit under a half, and I need to get my car washed, and this is where I would go get my car washed, and gas station is nearby, Chick-fil-A is nearby to pick my salad up, so that's what we're gonna do. And my phone is acting up because that's what I'm recording on this morning. Well, period, that's what I record on. It's easy and it's much simpler for me. Sometimes not much, because I try to do cooking videos and it's kind of hard when you have your hands in food and stuff to try to use your phone, and I don't have anyone to hold the camera for me or the phone for me, so maybe a camera would be better to have, but you still gotta be able to have somebody to film you while you're in the kitchen and stuff. Yeah, my truck is definitely in some need of a good wash. I'm looking at it and I'm like, the windows look a mess. On my trip back from the summit conference, even when I went through the wash, it didn't do that great of a job. So it means a second wash, period. Yeah, so. Well, today is going to be an eventful day because I'll be by myself, and I have some one-on-one going on and also a training thing, so hopefully no one comes in while I'm in the midst of that. It's Thursday. Usually it's not that busy, but we will see. We'll see. Wow, look at this Piedmont Power Place. It has all kind of lawnmowers, which I'll probably have to get one of those ones that you sit in, and well, not me, but somebody. Yeah, you're gonna sit in, maybe me, who knows? I'll be trying to cut grass. I'll be on the ones that you sit and drive it. I'm not about to do no push because there's gonna be a lot of land to do that. So probably the first thing I do is go to Lowe's and get one of those. So yeah, I've been looking at the land. I want to get at least minimum 3 acres, and something that's already, you know, maintained. Probably get cheaper if you don't have something that's already maintained. Then you just gotta hire someone to chop trees down and do all whatever. Or if you get one that's like not in the greatest land, whatever, which I don't care, because most of the part of the land I'll be using it to plant fruit trees and stuff and garden. So as long as I don't have to cut a lot of trees down, I don't have to hire someone to cut a lot of trees down. Yeah. Let's see. Anyway, guys, I'm about to turn in here. And yep, they're already, oh Lord, it's already lined up with people. So the first thing I'm gonna do, of course, is get the car wash, then put the gas. Because it looks like it's people already lined up in there. As they're waiting for one person to go through. It shouldn't take me too long either. All right, guys. What's going on? Is it not working? Hope it's working because I don't want to get stuck. It's already 8:20. Oh, now I'm down to, no, I definitely needed to put gas. The bar then went down to 2 bars, which means 75 more miles I can drive. But I'm not driving 75 miles. So this gas lasts me, I put gas, which I think I put, was at half tank before I went out of town. And out of town, it was like a 95-mile drive both ways. And I filled it up halfway. And I've been back now over a week. And so it's pretty good. Good mileage. I do have to, I want to go ahead and get my oil change because I'm coming up to 5,000 miles. I've had the truck now since November of last year, so that's not bad. And that's because we've been going out of town a bunch. So it's good mileage, good mileage. Plus I don't have to drive a lot of mileage to get to work, so. Out of the 4,155, I think it was like 1,000 something miles to drive up here. Yeah. Oh, that was a drive, I tell you. So I was so worried that this meeting, this other sales training was going to be down in Orlando because they usually have it there, or North Carolina or Virginia, near DC. And I was like, please, because I don't fly, I don't do airplanes. So I was a little bit worried I was gonna have to drive, because I would not be taking a train. That would take up too much time. So, all right, so the Kroger gas station is empty, but I have to do this wash first because the line is long. Something is going on over there. That line should not be that long. What is going on? I see this gentleman was gonna go too. Yeah, there's something going on. I can't risk it. Getting stuck. Let me see. Well, apparently they're washing the front of the grill down, so let me just go ahead and get this over with because I do have time. I do have time. And hopefully it'll keep moving. Jeez. I've never had to be in this line this long. Yeah, I never did, so we're gonna be in the line. I've got 4 cars ahead of me. Usually I have like maybe 1 or 2. Okay, there goes 1. Now I've got 3. Child, it is so cold in this car. What am I complaining about? It's hot outside. Oh, now it hit 80 degrees out there. But my car be like, whoo. Put the AC on and it just be cold. All right, let me go check to see if I hear back from the... Well, who's screaming? Oh, that's the guy that tells you to put it on neutral, your car. Oh, look at this Jeep in front of me. I kind of miss my Jeep, but it's too expensive these days. Would I buy another Jeep? No. Put on neutral. Ain't clear. Oh, that's going pretty fast. Oh, that's an Audi up there, but it's so tiny. I need a sturdy truck. The Jeep looks good. That's a white one. But I like my black cars. Now, for this truck, I kind of wish I got it in silver, but they didn't have it. Or white. But, this guy. Lord. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Okay, I'm here. Get my gloves on because I don't like touching the, I carry a couple of gloves in my car because I don't like touching the, those handles out there. Keep from getting sick. All right, let me turn the car off. Car nice and clean now. Okay. All right, I'll be back. Right now, just cleaning out my car. That looks good. What is this tissue on here? Looks nice and clean. I got my boots in there. I think I need, yeah, it looks much nicer today. Much cleaner than it did the other day. When it first got clean, way better. It needed that. There's a Burlington over there. I need to check it out today. But yeah, the truck looks really good. The inside looks really good because the wind hasn't been blowing a lot lately, so don't have a lot of mess. Got an outdoor snack machine out here. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I think my thing just got done. Yeah, really happy with the outcome. Nice and clean. All right. That gas cost me $46. And I pushed the one that's for $3.39 or whatever. So yeah, pretty much then my truck would probably cost me, I don't know, $60 to fill it up probably, because I had some gas in there. It had something about, I didn't have any more discount, rewards left. I don't know what that's all about. Because I have a Kroger's card, and so I didn't have any more rewards. Like, not a Kroger's card, but you know, where you get discount on your grocery. And it said if I wanted to use something between, I probably should have used the July stuff, but I didn't. So it said I had 0 rewards, so we haven't been shopping there enough, I guess. So yeah, all right, I'm heading over to Chick-fil-A. It's 8:40. Yeah, let me do Chick-fil-A. And let me do the one that's near my job, because I gotta get going. Because this one over here would be packed, way packed. So let me do that. I really gotta get going. I have no time. Okay, I'm home. I am home, and I see I have a lot of clothes there. What is going on with my light in the bathroom? Must have been turned off or something. Ooh, child. All right, so I'm home, and I'm just gonna get ready to shower. My camera is so blurry, I don't know why. Today was an okay day, very quiet. I got to do a better get ready for the training session that's going to be coming up, and had to really do some fast track on some training stuff today, and had 2 customers came in at the end. Then it rained, which cooled off stuff a lot around here. So yeah, so I just want to come back and say hope you guys had a great Thursday, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and make a comment, and leave a question of what you want to see on my channel from me, or any questions you may have for me. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.